Hey future millionaires, welcome back. This video is going to show you how to stay booked and busy in your events-based business, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're going to get right into this. Remember, I have only a few spots available for the events-based mentorship, and this is an elite group of individuals that want to start their own events-based business. So if you're interested in that, make sure you text mentor to this number here so that you can get on the phone and see if you're fit the criteria for the program. All right, let's get right into it. Number one is in regards to how to stay booked and busy in the events-based industry is to make sure that you have a monitoring system on your said website or social media program, because you need to be able to see what individuals are clicking on and inside of your actual website so that you can know what is working, what's not working, okay? And it's a simple plug that your website developer can add to your website so that they can see what your clients are clicking on. And it's super duper interesting, okay? So have something to monitor your website clicks, okay? The second thing I want you to do in regards to staying booked and busy is monitoring trends in your industry, right? What is trending in the event space ownership industry? Is it a type of chair? Is it a type of look? Is it a type of vibe or packages, right? Or specials, right? Usually, once you're seeing one, all the other ones are doing it. And if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? So monitor trends and monitor what other event space owners are doing and mimic it, but also, what do we always say? Put your own sauce on it and make it your own. So number two is monitoring trends in your industry and your niche. Number three is going to be using Google Analytics. Google is like a literal amazing search engine, and it's going to be something that will be beneficial to your business to be able to analyze what is going on in the event space industry and your area. So Google Analytics will tell you what people are searching for, where are they searching, what time of the day, what are the keywords, so you can optimize your Google ads to make sure that individuals that are looking for event spaces are able to click on your ads, and you can easily hire someone on Fiverr to do that for you. So you can have them as your Google Analytics manager, your Google Ads manager, and they'll be able to analyze everything and optimize your ads to make sure that you will get in front of the right clients to be able to book your event space over others. Number four of how to stay booked and busy is to keep adding upgrades and upsells. So as you're running your business, guys, you should be acquiring different things to actually add value and add ambiance and add the opulence to your space. So you don't just stay the same and have the same chairs and the same tablecloths and the same uplighting or whatever and the same centerpieces. You add things, you see what's going on, you see what's trending. So for a while now, the throne chairs was a trending thing, right? Or the 360 camera was a trending thing, or uplighting is a trending thing. So make sure you keep adding upgrades. You don't just say, okay, yeah, all right, I'm at the point where I'm making a profit now, I'm good. No, you need to continue to keep your space on the cusp of what's happening, what's new, so that your space is fresh and interesting and exciting. So people are still gonna wanna come book with you, right? They're not gonna be like, oh yeah, that's just that space there. They got the same chairs from 3 years ago. No, you need to continue to have things and keep adding things to your repertoire so people are going to say, whoa, now they got this, now they got that, okay? So if you need ideas of upgrades and upsells, make sure you comment down below. All right, last but not least, number five, you should pay attention to and not skimp on this. Optimize your systems and your admin, right? Just think about this, guys. You're a new business owner and you're trying to run the business, you're trying to learn everything, and you're trying to make sure that everything is running smoothly. You don't necessarily have time to be worrying about marketing and getting your name out there, keeping track of everything. But if you have systems in place and your business is running smooth, you don't have to worry about emails and calendars and payments and contracts and things like that. If you have everything, your systems in place and everything is running, now you can focus on the upsells and, giving your clients the best experience and marketing and making everything look streamlined and very well put together, and you're not stressed out, right? So a stressed out business owner, 9 times out of 10, you can see that in the business, right? So inside of the mentorship, I teach you the systems that you need to run the business so that you are not stressed when you start actually running the business, okay? So it's super duper important to stay booked and busy, but how you do that is by tapping into all of these steps. But the most important one is to make sure you know how to run your systems so you can optimize your business output so you're not stressed out and you can be booked and busy. Okay, guys? So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions in regards to event space ownership, comment down below. But if you're interested in the program, Remember, I only have a few spots left. Text mentor to this number right here. And as always, my friends, I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of the year.